If you want to check battery health on a Realme 14T, then first of all we can open the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to check the battery health. So for example, we can go to search and I'm gonna search for Dev Info app. This is an example app that we can use. This is the one that I'm talking about. Let's install it and I'm gonna show you how to find this information. Of course, there are multiple different apps that allow us to check this information, like the battery health. But we can go over here and let's agree and start. Of course, we have an ad, but we should be able to close it pretty much shortly after. Let's grant, well, we don't have to grant the permission for notifications, so let's cancel this. And let's go to battery. Let's open battery. And over here, as you can see, we have a little information about the health of the battery. In this case, it is just good, so it's fine. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.